Opposing Viewpoints is a great database to use for any projects where you're looking for controversial ideas or if you're looking for diverse points of view and perspectives on an issue. And it's really, really great if you're just starting out on a project. If you scroll down, you'll start to see a list of these issues. And if you were to click where it says Browse All Issues, you'll see all 400 plus different topics that this database has done a good job of curating. By selecting one of those categories, you'll see a brief overview of the issue, and then you'll be directed to a series of different types of sources. Now, you can also just search up at the top in the search box. Maybe if my topic was about plagiarism, I could search there, and it will still get me to a similar page. What you're looking for is this diverse array of different types of sources. Everything from newspapers and magazine sources, academic journals, and then there's even media files, all different kinds of things. There are also these viewpoint sources, which can be useful in seeing pro and con kind of discussion. Something you'll want to check with your professor on just to make sure that they're okay with using those types of sources, since they don't technically qualify as articles. If you see something that looks interesting from your list of sources, all you'd have to do is click on an article's title, and it's going to give you the actual source. So first, you'll see everything that you'll need for a citation right at the top of that page. Down below is where you'll see the full text of your source. So if you found an article that you like, up in this top bar, you'll see some options that you have. I mean, for one, you can always print anything from this database that you like. You can also send things to yourself in a few different formats. You can email stuff, or you can save stuff to your OneDrive account or even your Google Drive account. You can also download things, saving them to your computer, and it will also help you cite directly from this source. If I wanted to incorporate this particular article into my page, I can see that there's MLA, APA, Chicago style even. These are usually pretty good. And the last thing I'd really like to mention about this database that's unique is that when you share a source, you often want to share it with a permalink. The URL in this database works okay, but if you want to be sure, you can always go to here where it says get a link. And from there, this link will always work. Once you've gotten your information out of here, then you can just hit the back button a couple times or go to the results right there, and you'll be back to where you started. And then you can just kind of iterate on your search and keep reviewing sources.